2. So this is the wool one, but I'm going to do the edging, the finishing part, the outside, white and brown. Make a knot. Then we're going to do 5 single crochets on each chain, but look at it, we're going to poke at the end there. Yeah, only one at the edge. 3, 4, 5. And this single crochet and then 2 chain. And 5 single crochet. Single crochet already. Now we go to the brown. 5 single crochet. Here still you see where I'm making single crochet at the end. Only one of it. Two chain and the same single crochet and the 5. Keep going until you finish. Finishing part, you do 4 single crochet. The 5th one, don't finish it up halfway through because you're going to join the end of the, see, done. So slip chain, now 1 chain, and you can do it 2. See, I put the whole thing in. The first one was only 1 thread. Now I put 2 also in, and I'm hiding the end thread. the 2 chain there, you put 1 single crochet there and 2 chain, and the same place 1 single crochet. And go all around the same one. Coming to the end, the last one, do halfway, and then slip chain to the other one. And make it a knot and cut it off. Oh, my scissors so blunt. Oh, and I'm left-handed. There. Now hide the thread. Always hide it in the back part. Now make a knot, then we do 1 single crochet. You see I only poke at 1 thread there, 1 chain there, only 1, the back part. I didn't take 2. And the 2 chain there, 1 single crochet, 2 chain, and the same place single crochet. Keep going. Back part, okay? Remember, I always keep forgetting that. Coming to the end there, same thing. The last one, do halfway and slip chain. Okay. Round and join them. Do slip chain. Okay, a chain, and this time do a single crochet, 2 threads go in all around. Now we come to the corner there, the 2 chain, put 3 single crochet there. And then keep going, single crochet. And then coming to the end. The last one, don't finish it up, halfway. Take a yarn and do a slip chain. Make a dot and cut it off. Done. I hope you like it. Next lesson is this pattern, same pattern, is to join them together.